Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Trades. So this week we are going to do some analysis on couple of pairs, and also as usual we are going to start with DXY on 4-hour time frame. So I think last week I do some analysis on DXY, and we were expecting to see a little push up of DXY to this area before now breaking and going to the downside. But we have the market decided to break this area. This was our support area, which now turned resistance. But now the market has break it, and I think it's heading to this area. So for me, up to now, I'm still on bearish until market break this area around here, because if you can see, this was a very good support and resistance area. The market held in this area for a couple of times. So for me to consider DXY bullish, I will have to see DXY break this area, then retested to this, because you can see very clearly we have a resistance here. So if we break this resistance here, that will be a good change of direction from now bearish to bullish. Then I will wait the market to give me a little push up, retested to this same area. Then from that one, I will consider that now we are on bullish on DXY. But until now, I'm still on bearish. Maybe this area, maybe market might come to around this area to form a little kind of a double top around here, and maybe continue with a sell setup. So for me, for this week on DXY, market might be a bullish a little bit to this area, then reverse, or market might be a very bullish, break this area around here, change the direction, then for me to turn on bullish on DXY. So this week I'm going just to check DXY and see what the market will provide for us. So the next pair that I want to check also is USD CHF. As you can see very clearly, USD CHF is still on a bearish. We are still going down in a strong bearish. Now, let's start here. We have a support around here, and we have a support around here. This market want to form a double bottom, but break around here. And you see currently the market is reversing to the same area around here. So I will just wait the market to touch this area, which is almost about to touch it around here, or touch here. These two are my importance level. If the market touch here or touch here at the top, then reverse, I will now waiting to have a setup. So I have drawn my counter trend line around here. This is my second touch, and third touch. So I will not take any entry inside this box. I will just wait until the market maybe break this trend line around here. Then give me a small retest on a lower time frame, maybe on 30 minutes time frame. Then that one, I will take that trade on a sell. But for now, I'm just waiting to see what the market will provide on us. So that's all on USD CHF. Moving again on another pair, this is USD CAD. As you can see clearly on USD CAD, we have a support, we have a resistance here, and the market is clearly like coming to the same resistance around here. So I'm waiting to think on USD CAD if this market might break this trend line around here and maybe push up to this level to form a double bottom or to form a second wave of my strategy. Then I will draw this trend line, counter trend line around here, wait the market to break, retest, then that I will have a sell setup on USD CAD. But if the market maybe might turn bullish, I will wait the market to break this resistance here, to break resistance, retest, then upon the retest, that's where now I will have my entry around this area, because now this will be resistance now becoming a support at this area. So this area now will be my favorable for buy setup. So that's all on USD card. Let's move on to another pair also. JPY. I think all these pair have the same formation. On USD JPY, we are still bullish on a minor, but overall we are on a bearish. So what I want to see here, because this was a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance, the market break this resistance with a small candle around here. So maybe I will want to see more if the market will do something like a retracement around here, then move to the upside, then retested to this area. Then if the market retested to this area around here, then I will take this break, because that will be a resistance. This will be a break. Then this one will be a retest on that area. That's one a thing that I want to wait on USD JPY. The second thing I want to wait on USD JPY, you can see clearly this is a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, and also we are in a resistance. Maybe market might move a little bit up, push up a little bit to take out those who entered the trade earlier. So the next thing that I might do around here is to draw this counter trend line with the outermost part around here. I usually use the outermost area to draw my trend line around here. Then if the market retest, break this trend line, retest, then I will take this market to the support that we are currently having at the bottom here. So that's the same thing that I'm waiting to see on USD JPY. Let's go to another pair also. This time we are having GBP JPY. Currently we are on a resistance area. You can see we have a double top formation around here. So unless the market break this area, then starting to reverse to this support area, then that will be favorable for me to take any trade. Or the market might retrace a little bit lower to this previous support area, then also that one will be favorable for me to take that trade. And also the last one, if the market break this level around here, break this support around here. If the market break this support here, it will show me the change of direction. Then I'll just wait to see the market retrace to this area around here. Then I will have a setup around here on a retest to this support area. But for now, I don't have any setup for GBP JPY. I'm just waiting to see the market to do its formation. NAS 100, I can't talk much about it. You can see we have something like reversal patterns that's forming. So maybe this market might start reversing and come to this area before now having that setup around here. So if the market do something like this one, then I will take this trade maybe from here for bullish. But for now, I don't have much on NAS 100. Another pair also that I want to look and check upon it is this US 30. We have a resistance here. We have a double top here, which form a resistance area. The market break it very well. Now I'm waiting to see if this market might continue doing this kind of a retracement to this area. Then if the market reach this area to give me a retest, then I will enter this trade around here and take this trade to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting to see on US 30 on 4-hour time frame. I'm not sure, but whatever the market will give us, then we will take it. So let's go to another pair. This is Euro USD. As we show clearly, we are still on a bullish. We are still on a bullish, but we have a little retracement around here. So the market is currently on our main support. This is the main support. This is the minor support. But now let me remove the minor support, the minor resistance. This is the main resistance. This is the minor resistance. Now let me remain with the main resistance. The market break it very well to the upside. Now we are retracing to this area. So I want to see the market touch this support here, then break to the upside, retest to this area. Then upon this retest, then I will take my trade from here and run to the upside or continuing with the bullish setup. So this is the setup that I want to see on Euro USD. Also, I know the market might have double minded. So this is my last support area. If the market break this support area, then retest it to it, then maybe my bias on bullish will change and I will start looking for bearish setup around this area. So that's Euro USD. Let's see this coming week what will form or what will happen on that particular pair. So another gain to another pair. This time we are looking on GBP USD. We are still on a good bullish setup. But now what I want to see here, the market is currently on this support area. We have a support area around here. We can see the market has been holding for this support for a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Market is been holding in this particular support. So what I'm trying to see here, I'm trying to wait the market to be bullish, break this minor trend line around here, give me a retest. Then upon that retest, that's where I will enter my trade, my stop loss below here. Then I will run that trade on a buy. This is what I'm waiting to see on GBP USD. But if the market continues with the sell, I will wait the market to give me a very good move, then a retest to this area, because this area previously was a support. So I will wait the market to touch this support around here. Then maybe from there, I will have that sell setup around this place here. So that's what I'm waiting to see on GBP USD. So if you can see clearly, if I will wait until the market break that level, that's where I will have an entry on that. Now, the last pair that I want to check is gold. I wanted to check this gold last week, but the market did not provide a good environment for us to enter. But you can see clearly what I was talking about on a previous week. I wanted them. I told you guys I wait the market to break this trend line around here and also change of direction around here. Then I will wait the market to retest to this area before now considering bullish on gold. So what I'm waiting to see if I can use my fib level from this area. Let me use my fib level from this area to the upper side. You can see the market is exactly in my area, where the market is exactly in my area around here. That's the area where the market is currently at. So what now I'm waiting to see, I'm going to draw a counter trend line here to touch the two outermost part on that retracement, two outermost part on that retracement like this one. So when the market break this trend line, that's now where I will have entry around here, my stop loss around here. Then I will wait the market and wait the market or enter a buy around this area and wait the market to give me now a bullish setup. So for this week, I think we are going to look much on gold. I'm going to, it's already on my checklist. I'm going to see what now will happen. If the market break this counter trend line, I'm in for a buy. But if the market decided to reach here and maybe break to the downside and break this area around here, then maybe that will be the change of direction, and maybe we can look for another setup. So this week we only have a gold for our checklist. The other pairs, they are not ready yet, but we are waiting. But if within the week our setups will be good, then we will enter it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my